And as well, staying just a bit longer on inflation here, car insurance costs skyrocketed last month compared to a year ago. So if you're wondering why your insurance is so expensive, well, we may just have some answers for you here. Here's industry expert Lauren Fix from Car Coach Reports. So Lauren, we got the consumer price index yesterday. It seems like car insurance up 22%. I'm wondering, what are you seeing?
Well, that's an average across the board. When you look at some consumers are seeing as much as 60%, some are getting their policy canceled. Very few are keeping the same rates. And the reason for this is car insurance is based on replacement value of your vehicle, the risks that you pose to the insurance company. Even if you're a safe driver, maybe you drive in unsafe areas, you typically drive during rush hour traffic, maybe there's been a lot of accidents in that vehicle, or you have an electric vehicle and it costs more to repair. Those are some of the factors that are causing insurance rates to increase.
So you're saying 60% for some people. Why is that? That is way higher than the 22% from the CPI.
Right. And the reason for that is, and this is something that I cover on my Car Coach Reports channel, is data collection. So for the last few years, data has been collected through the center screen on your car, and that information goes to the manufacturer. They use that for problems with the car, maybe fixing an idle or some sort of management of fuel. But what ended up happening is, because electric cars have cost car companies so much money and they're taking a loss, they need to make up the difference. So how are they going to make extra money? They sell the data to insurance companies as well as to the government. So your car is actually snitching on you. But the problem is, a computer doesn't know if you make an aggressive maneuver. Was there a squirrel in the road? Did someone jump out in front of you? Was there a pothole? All it knows is it has collected data from your steering input, your accelerator pedal, your location, that you made an aggressive move.
Now, does this data collection only works against you in the sense that it only raises the insurance cost for you? Does it ever lower the cost if, let's say, you are a very good driver?
Well, that's what they try to tell you. So they have these little dongles. You can either put it through an app on your phone, or you can plug it in underneath your dash and then go to the onboard diagnostics. And that's supposed to help save you money. Every person that I've spoken with who has tried it has had their rates increase because they thought they're a pretty safe driver. They don't speed. They don't drive a lot of miles. One friend of mine actually tricked the system by driving his wife's car instead of driving his car, and he basically let his car sit in order to lower his insurance rates. So that's probably the only way that you could do that. Again, it's important that when you allow them access to your information, they can't tell whether you were avoiding a situation. All the computer knows is there was an aggressive driving maneuver, and that counts against you.
All right, final question. What can drivers do?
Well, the first thing you can do is don't sign up for any of those ways to save money by putting an app or something underneath your dash in order to save money. You can unsubscribe to some of the things that track your car. You can shut off some of the tracking on your phone. What we don't have yet is a way to disconnect it from your car. And I know there's a couple companies out there working on it. We have to find out if it's legal. So just don't go start and trying to unprogram your vehicle. Remember that when you agreed to purchasing your new car, you agreed to have them collect the data. Be a safe driver is the best thing you can do.
All right. Thank you very much today, Lauren Fix, Car Coach Reports.
Thank you.
Have you ever thought, why in the world is my wireless bill so darn high? What are we paying all this money for? Speed, coverage, data, access to 5G, unlimited talk and text, mobile hotspots? We are partnering with Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile offers all of these features for as low as $15 per month. They're reimagining the wireless shopping experience and made it easy and online. No stores, no salespeople, just huge direct-to-you savings. Why should you pay more when you have access to premium wireless? Mint Mobile runs on the nation's largest 5G network. Whether you use your phone to watch YouTube, listen to podcasts, or play games, you get the same speed and performance as the big guys while connecting to Mint's network. How hard is it to switch your service? Big Wireless wants you to think it's hard, but switching to Mint is super easy. Thanks to digital eSIM cards, which most phones now have, you can sign up and activate immediately right on your phone from the comfort of your home. And if your phone doesn't have an eSIM, Mint will ship you a new SIM card for free. Just go to trymintmobile.com/LaurenFix. also linked in the description down below to get premium wireless for $15 a month.